Unknown enemies, IEDs, hostages inside. This solution assimilates fielded technologies to solve the special operator's biggest threat, the unknown. CHERUB Concepts delivers a unified tactical reconnaissance system built for contested urban environments. Fast deployment, persistent awareness, minimal operator exposure. Deployable micro-camera drops in and moves remotely, no personnel committed. Capturing visual, thermal, acoustic, and motion intelligence in real time. The drone activates sentry mode, acting as a signal relay to ensure connection to camera while inside a structure, extending operational reach while preserving persistent situational awareness. Multi-sensor fusion transforms raw reconnaissance into actionable intelligence. This technology package will reconstruct operational environments in real time, providing eyes into the unknown, preventing loss of life and injury, revealing threats, movement, and structural pathways before entry teams advance. From hostage rescue to EOD operations, building clearance, and maritime interdiction, delivering intelligence dominance where uncertainty is highest. CHERUB Concepts. Eyes before entry.